everyone, my name is Farhan Mohammed. I am from Civil Bus Rajmundry. So today I want to show you the advantages of organic farming, or you can say natural farming. Natural farming avoids the use of pesticides and chemicals and also artificial fertilizations, but it relies the traditional methods of fertilizations and pest control, such as you can say as crop rotation, barrier nets, and also natural pest controls. The demand of natural farming is more compared to chemical farming because it is more healthier. In US, only 0.7% of people, 7.0% is only natural farms and 99.3% are chemical farms. So that the people of US are importing the natural foods from other countries such as India also. Natural farms are nothing but crop and livestock production which will not take the help of growth hormones, antibiotics and chemicals, fertilizers, etc. The people of India are not new for this organic farming, because organic farming in India is being run from the long period of time. Natural farming can helps us by reducing the water pollution and water conservation also. Natural farming tastes good. Natural farming is free poison comparing to chemical farming. Chemical farming is low poison, and farmers will not be at loss, because if they will not buy fertilizers and chemicals, they will not spend money at them. The fertilizers are more costly, as you know, and the many nutrients will be present in natural farming comparing to chemical farming. Natural farming is very helpful to us, because if we will eat the fruits and food like vegetables which are naturally farmed, which are not chemically farmed, we will not get any side effects. The people who are suffering with cancer, diabetes and viruses, they will only prefer the natural farmed foods, because the natural farmed foods contain many nutrients comparing to chemical farmed foods. The risk will be lower, their lives will be saved if they will take natural farmed foods. In this period, we all know that we are suffering with viruses, but we have to take natural farmed foods, because chemical farmed foods contain many side effects, so that it can cause to our damage, and the chemicals are so costly, so that the farmers can't buy it. If they are also buying, they are using in it, and some people who are like, they are not buying chemical farmed foods. Many people are only just concentrating on natural farmed foods, which are very helpful to us. Since the natural farming is not loaded with toxic items like fungicides, pesticides and herbicides, so that it is considered as more healthier compared to chemical farming. The natural farming can store to long period of time, while that chemical farming can't store in long period of time. So this was my video. Hope you love it. Thanks for watching.